Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Primos quickly. To start, focus on understanding the various in-game systems that reward this valuable currency. Primogems are essential for making wishes, which can bring new characters and weapons to your team. We'll cover several effective strategies to maximize your Primogem earnings, ensuring you can expand your roster and enhance your gameplay experience without delay. Daily commissions are your most consistent source, offering 60 Primogems every single day. Don't forget to engage with all limited-time events, as these often provide hundreds, sometimes thousands of Primogems. Additionally, thorough exploration of new areas, opening every chest you find, and completing world quests will significantly boost your Primogem count. The Spiral Abyss is a fantastic source, potentially rewarding up to 600 Primogems every 2 weeks if you can clear its later floors. Furthermore, completing the vast array of in-game achievements offers a steady stream of 1 to 20 Primogems per achievement. Regularly reviewing your achievement list can reveal many easy opportunities to collect extra Primogems. Don't overlook other valuable sources like maintenance compensation, which often provides 300 Primogems after updates. Keep an eye out for official web events and redeem any promotional codes released by the developers. These can offer a quick boost to your Primogem stash. Always check your in-game mail for occasional freebies too, as they sometimes include extra Primogems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.